Hello, good morning children, welcome to Push English. So here I am with capsule 7 talking about voice tone, tonality of voice or tone of voice, whichever way you want to put it across. So I hope you have watched my previous 6 capsules because it is in coordination with all of them. So in this video I'm going to cover up the definition, the 4 core skills of tonality of voice. Then there are several techniques that I'll tell you to improve upon your voiceover, voice throw, and then ultimately the tips to improve voice. And let us begin then. Children, it is said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. An Arvo Part says that human voice is the most perfect instrument of all. It is also said that the tongue can paint what our eyes cannot. So these are several quotations or proverbs which are ample enough to prove that voice is the single most powerful communication tool which will help you out to convey your feelings with confidence and authority. तो आज यही टॉपिक ले रहे हैं बच्चों हम, voice tonality, which is the most powerful tool. So to begin with, first of all, I'm going to take 4 core skills of tonality of voice. First is the breath. Breath is the way you breathe. You need to have control on this breath. Okay? Second comes open throat. Open throat here means your throat should be very clear, the clarity of voice should be there. Third says articulation. Articulation is the way you express, the way you enunciate, the way you pronounce particular word, that is called articulation. And body and brain, this is in contact with voice, the message or the coordination being sent to body as well as brain, and that leads to coordination between the two. So there are several techniques which you can do to improve upon your voice tone. First is count till 1 to 10. Why I have made this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can see the number getting increased and then the number getting decreased. So this is a kind of exercise which you can do to, when you start counting from 1, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So from high to low and low to high. Do this exercise at least 5 times in the morning or in the evening whenever you get time. You will surely see that your tone is going to improve. There are several good people who are known for their voice. To name some, I can remember Amitabh Bachchan ji, Suresh Oberoi, Kabir Bedi. They are known for their voice. Aman Shahini, we cannot forget him, the famous news reader and announcer. ये सब लोग अपनी आवाज़ के लिए जाने जाते हैं, और अगर इनकी आवाज़ भी थिन और श्रिली होती तो आज शायद हम अपने कान पर हाथ रख कर बैठे होते, लेकिन चूँकि इनकी वॉइस इतनी डीप है, इट इज़ अ बैरिटोन, इट इज़ परफेक्ट मेल वॉइस विच यू वांट टू. सो जब आपने देखा होगा अक्सर जब आप टेंस होते हैं, स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं, नर्वस होते हैं, तो आपका वो चीज़ आपकी आवाज़ में रिफ्लेक्ट होती है. Similarly, when you are in happy mood, when you are happy-go-lucky, that thing is reflected in your voice. So let us talk about some of the techniques that I told you. The first one was count 1 to 10, first from low to high and then from high to low tone. Then comes hum a song. Humming is गुनगुनाना, जैसे आप गुनगुनाते ना, जब आप ये गुनगुनाते हो तो आपका वॉइस रेंज चेंज करना है आपको. At times you have to be very loud and then slow and then high. So first high pitch, then low pitch and then high pitch, or vice versa. Low, high and then low. Third comes whenever you are in shower. That is the perfect time, comfortable time when you are spending with yourself. You have to sing the song in a shower. और song भी कैसे गाना है? Perfect range में. You have to just see to it that the voice range that you do is again should be from high to low and then low to high. Then comes several tips I'll tell you how to improve voice. First of all, you have to breathe from diaphragm. Now the big question is, what is diaphragm? So children, diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscular partition which separates abdomen from thorax. That is called diaphragm. Okay, so you have to breathe from diaphragm. You must have often heard that singers are asked to sing from belly. उनको बोला जाता है पेट से गाओ. They don't breathe from here, lungs, chest, directly breathe from belly. Similarly, your voice, your breathing should be diaphragmic breathing. It should come from diaphragm. जोर से सांस लेना है आपने. उसके बाद से open your mouth whenever you are speaking, whenever you want to project yourself, you want listeners to hear you, you need to open your mouth. I said open your mouth here means it should not be the over expression, but yes, surely every word should be chewed properly and it should be spoken with clarity. So this can only happen when you open your mouth clearly. Then comes blow bubbles. Blow bubbles is, there is a game, you must have seen, there is a pipe and you need to blow bubbles. Either you can do this, and if that is not available, you can blow bubbles in water. Water, put your mouth into it, exhale and inhale, and try to make like you chew bubble gum. Similarly, try to blow bubbles into it. That will help you to sustain your breath. आपकी सांस को control करने में ये bubbles, while blowing the bubbles, these are going to help you out. Then comes ground yourself. Now what do you mean by grounding yourself? You must have seen when you are in a comfortable position, your voice is also very clear and deep. But when you are not, your voice is either shrilly or very thin or shaky. So ground yourself here means if you are in a position where you can sit, put your hands under your hips like this and sit. When you will ground yourself, that confidence, that authority will be shown in your voice even. Then comes, there is one such exercise which you can do. Go up the stairs and down the stairs. But before that, take any poem or any piece of prose, take it in your hand, go up the stairs, come down the stairs and read that. Reading will teach you how to control your breath while walking. This exercise needs to be done when you are reading the poem. It should be from low to high and then low. Similarly, your pace of walking, you have to be fast and then slow. Similarly, your voice, it has to be very fast and then slow and then fast, or slow, fast and slow. Either it should be SFS or FSF. It means fast, slow, fast, or slow, fast, slow, whichever way you want. Then comes, you have to be very direct. Whatever you want to speak, be direct instead of using it I have seen children walking, all these kind of things. So you have to delete all these indirect and unimpressive words from your speech. Then comes, you have to be audible. Neither you need to be low nor you need to be loud. कोई जिस लिसनर को आपको सुनानी है आवाज़, इतना रहे कि उनको सुनाई दे, उनको ये ऑडिबल हो. That is the only thing which you require. So with that, children, I hope I have made the point very clear. If at all any doubt is there, please do let me know. I hope these techniques, please do practice them and tell me whether they are helping you out or not. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, children. Bye.